Good morning, class. In this lecture, we are going to analyze the NEET 2021 question paper. The question paper that we are going to discuss, the code number is P3. Okay, code number P3. Okay. So the first question is from the botany section, 101 question number. Which of the following statement is not correct? Here, first statement is the pyramid of numbers in a grassland ecosystem is upright. That's correct. Pyramid of biomass in sea is generally inverted. It is also correct. But the third statement, that is a pyramid of biomass in the sea is generally upright, that is wrong statement. Because in case of the ocean, in case of the sea, the pyramid of biomass is in this number because the number of primary producers is less. That's why the pyramid is inverted, so it is not upright. Next question, which of the following plants is monoecious? Here, out of this given options, the Chara plant, Chara, it's a green alga, chlorophyceae, is actually a monoecious plant. Rest of the plants, Cycas cyrinalis, Carica papaya and Mercantia polymorpha, these are the dioecious plants. So out of this, the Chara is a monoecious plant. Next one. So 101 ka 3, 102 3. Next, the first stable product of CO2 fixation in sorghum, Sorghum vulgare. It is a jowar, botanical name of jowar, and jowar is a C4 plant. So in the C4 plant, the HSK pathway is taking place there, and that's why in the HSK pathway, the first stable product is oxaloacetic acid. So the option number 3 is the correct answer. Here also 103 ka 3. Then 104, diadelphous stamens are found in. Diadelphous stamens means the stamens are present in the two groups. So here China rose and citrus, no. China rose, monoadelphous condition is present there. Then citrus, no, polyadelphous condition. And in case of the pea plant, the diadelphous stamens are present there. Diadelphous means in the pea, total 10 stamens are present there. They are present in the form of 9+1 combination. So 9+1 combination, 9 stamens are fused together and 1 stamen is free. So 1 and 2. Here the two groups are there, so the condition is called as the diadelphous condition. Two staminal tubes are there, so the condition is called diadelphous. So 104 ka 4. Next, DNA strands on a gel stained with ethidium bromide when viewed under the UV radiation appear. The color of the DNA strands after the gel staining, they appear as a bright orange bands. They appear bright orange bands. Sorry. So the answer is 105 ka 3. 3 number. Then 106. Plants follow different pathways in response to environment or phases of life to form different kinds of structures. This ability is called. This is the definition of plasticity from the plant, from the chapter plant growth and development. Plasticity की definition है. So 106 का आंसर है 4th one. Next, 107. Match the pair is given there. So list 1 and list 2 are given. In this match the pair, protoplast fusion occurs while the production of potato and tomato. From this, by the protoplast fusion, there is a formation of pomato. So here the total answer is प्रोटोप्लास्ट फ्यूजन का आंसर आता है पोमैटो. प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर का आंसर आता है इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द टोटिपोटेंसी प्रॉपर्टी. देन मेरिस्टेम कल्चर, virus free plants are obtained from the meristem culture because especially the apical meristems, because if the particular plant is affected by the viruses then also the apical meristem remains unaffected. So and finally the micro propagation forms the soma clones. So answer goes to third one, 107. Third one, 108. In the equation GPP minus R, here gross primary productivity minus R is equal to NPP, net primary productivity. Here R stands for R stands for respiratory losses. So answer is first one, 108, first one answer. Then 109. The production of gametes by the parents, formation of zygote F1 and F2 plants can be understood from a diagram. A particular diagram that we draw there is called as a Punnett square. Is called the Punnett square, and this with the help of this Punnett square we come to know about all these things. So the answer is fourth one, 109. Fourth one answer is there. Then 110. Which of the following statement is incorrect? I shall directly proceed to the answer. Incorrect statement. In that incorrect statement, the actually second statement given here is incorrect. What is the statement? Mature sieve tube elements possess a conspicuous nucleus and usually cytoplasmic organelles. This is a wrong statement because in the mature sieve tube there is no any nucleus. So 110 का आंसर है second. Okay. Then once again 111 match the pairs are there, and the answer to the match the pairs is third one, lenticels. Lenticels are useful for the exchange of gases. Then cork cambium is called phelogen. Secondary cortex is called pheloderm. And cork is called as the cork has the suberin deposition. So the answer goes to third one, 111 का third one. 112. The amount of nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and calcium present in the soil at any given time is referred to as. This is the definition for the standing state. Standing state, the definition from ecosystem chapter. So 112, fourth one. Then comes 113. The term used for the transfer of pollen grains from anthers of one plant to stigma of different plant, which during pollination brings genetically different types of pollen grains together. So this is the definition, or this is the type of the pollination which is called xenogamy. In the xenogamy, two different plants are involved there. Means two different plants are involved, not different species. Two different plants are involved there, and that is why the pollen grains from the different plants are deposited on the stigma. So the answer goes to 113, second, xenogamy. Xenogamy. Next, 114. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves the division of centromere? In the meiosis, centromere is divided in anaphase second, because this is the chromosome. In the anaphase, the centromere is divided and the sister chromatids separate, and these sister chromatids now act as the daughter chromosomes during the process of anaphase second. So 114, fourth one. Then 115, which of the following is a correct sequence of the steps in PCR? Polymerase chain reaction, PCR. So the answer goes to denaturation, annealing and extension. This is the correct sequence. 115 ka second. Now you may have heard about the test RT-PCR for the corona, for the detection of COVID-19. RT-PCR, the full form is reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. Reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, RT-PCR. It is the test for the detection of COVID-19. Next, 116. When gene targeting involving gene amplification is attempted in an individual's tissue to treat the disease, then it is called as the gene therapy. If a particular gene in the body of that particular organism is defective, then the gene is corrected there by using gene therapy. So 116 ka third one. Then once again match the pair is there. The match the pair, Christie matches the pair with infoldings in mitochondria. Thylakoids match with the flattened membranous sacs in stroma of the plastid. Centromere matches with the primary constriction in chromosome. And cistern matches with the disc-shaped sacs in the Golgi apparatus. So 117 का आंसर है fourth one. Then comes 118. The factor that leads to the founder effect in a population. A particular founder effect in the population is said to be genetic drift. What is the genetic drift then? Change in frequency of allele. Change in frequency of allele within a population over a time. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम में एक पर्टिकुलर पॉपुलेशन में अगर जीन की फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज होती है तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट एंड द गिवन डेफिनेशन रेफर्स टू द सेम. 118 का फर्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट 119. When the centromere is situated in the middle, then two equal arms of the chromosome, the chromosome is referred to as metacentric. 119 का second. In this manner, this is the diagrammatic representation of metacentric chromosome. Meta means middle. The centromere is present in the center, middle, and the two arms are equal. So the chromosome is called metacentric. 120. Gymi are the organs or the structures for the vegetative propagation in some liverworts. So 120 का 1. 120 का 1. Next 121. During the purification process for recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitates out. Due to addition of chilled ethanol, DNA is precipitated out there. So answer goes to third one, DNA. 121 third one. Next 122. Once again match the pair is there. Cohesion, mutual attraction between among the water molecules. Adhesion, different molecules. Surface tension, attraction towards polar surfaces. And the last one, guttation. Guttation is the water lost in liquid phase. So the answer goes to second. 122 second. 123. The site of perception of light in plants during the photoperiodism. When we talk about the photoperiodism, the phytochromes are present. Phytochromes are the substances that are sensitive, that are receiving actually the photoperiodic stimulus. And these phytochromes are present in the leaf. So during the photoperiodism, the light perception, light perception is by the leaf. So 123 का first one. Next, the plant hormone used to destroy weeds. Weedicide. What is the weeds? weeds are unwanted plants, these are removed, these are destroyed by using the 2,4-D. So answer goes to fourth one. 124 का 4. 125. Which of the following algae produce carrageen? Carrageen is produced by red algae. So answer goes to fourth one. 126. Complete the flow chart on central dogma. Such type of chart is given there. A. DNA. B. mRNA. C. and D. Such type is, first of all, DNA is forming the DNA. So A is replication, B is transcription, C is the translation, and D is the protein. This is the central dogma of protein synthesis. Answer goes to fourth one. 126, fourth one. 127. Which of the following are not secondary metabolites? Secondary metabolites are generally those substances which are produced by the plant but generally not utilized by them. So the answer goes to third one. Amino acid and glucose, these are not secondary metabolites, these are the primary metabolites. Third one. 127, third one. Then comes 128. In spite of interspecific competition in nature, which mechanism the competing species might have evolved for their survival? When we talk about the interspecific competition, the competition between the two species in a particular population, in a particular area in the nature, along with the interspecific competition, a particular concept is there called as the resource partitioning. A resource partitioning means, so for example, number of resources are present here and two species are present there, for example. So certain resources are given, given for the particular species and another for the particular species. This is the resource partitioning. So answer goes to 128 ka second. Then 129. Which of the following is not an application of PCR? Polymerase chain reaction का application नहीं है. So answer है purification of isolated proteins. The isolated proteins which are produced by a particular process, they are not purified by using the PCR. Rest of them are the applications. Then 130. Once again match the pair. The match the pair answer is cells with the active cell division capacity. These are the meristematic cells. Second, tissue having all cells similar in structure and function. The tissue is called simple tissue. Then tissue having different types of cells, it is called as the vascular tissue. Means it is actually complex tissue. An example of complex tissue is vascular tissue. And finally, dead cells with highly thickened walls and narrow lumens, sclerites. So answer 130 का answer है second. A typical angiospermic embryo sac at maturity. 131. When we talk about this embryo sac at the maturity, it is in this manner. It is in this manner. Okay? 7 celled. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1 is central cell. 3, 1, 3. 7 cell, but nuclei are 8. 3, 3 and 2. These are the central, the nuclei in the central nucleus. This is the central cell, polar nuclei. Total nuclei are 8 and the number of cells is 7. So the answer is 7 cell, 8 nucleate, or 8 nucleate and 7 cell. 131 second. Next 132. Which of the following algae contains mannitol as reserve food material? Mannitol is the reserve food material in the out of the given options. It is the Ectocarpus is the algae in which the mannitol is present there. Ectocarpus. So answer goes to second. 132 second. 133. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kinds of spore, and when the two kinds of spores are produced by the plants, they are called heterosporous. Answer is 133 ka 1. Then 134. Mutations in plant cells can be induced by. In the plant cells, when the required mutations are done, it is these are made by the gamma radiations, irradiation of the cells by the gamma rays. So answer is fourth one. 134 4. ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. जिन्होंने NCERT अच्छा किया था, इसको ये पेपर बहुत ही अच्छा गया बॉटनी का. सो 135 में एमेंसेलिज्म कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज. ये जो एमेंसेलिज्म है ना बेटा, एमेंसेलिज्म इज सच अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू ऑर्गेनिजम्स इन विच वन इज हर्टेड. एक को हर्ट किया जाता है और दूसरे को ना हर्ट होता है ना फायदा होता है. सो इट इज गिवन बाय माइनस पर स्पीशीज A and species B. When we say species A minus, मतलब क्या, उसको हार्ट होता है, और species B यहाँ पर 0 लिखता हूँ, मतलब उसको ना फायदा होता है ना कोई हार्ट होता है. So this is the amensalism. 135 का सेकेंड. ये था पूरा सेक्शन A जो कंपलसरी क्वेश्चंस में आता था. अभी दूसरे क्वेश्चंस सेक्शन बी. सेक्शन बी इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस थे देखो. अभी ऑप्शंस में क्या थे. पहला था 136. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ आरएनए पॉलीमरेज थर्ड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन यूकैरियोट्स. When we talk about the transcription process in the eukaryotic cells, we have to talk about the RNA polymerase third, and the function of the third is it transcribes tRNA, 5S rRNA, and SN small nuclear RNA. These are the functions. So 136 का third one. Then comes 137. Match the correct pair, म्हणजे select the correct pair. It is given. First, loose parenchyma cells rupturing the epidermis and forming a lens-shaped opening in the bark. So these are the cells in which such type of diagram is given in NCERT. These cells are called as the complementary cells, and the opening that is going to form is called as the lenticell. Here spongy parenchyma is given, so it is wrong. There should be complementary cells. Second pair, large colorless empty cells in the epidermis of grass leaves. Grass is a monocot, and in the grasses, in the epidermis, especially the upper epidermis, subsidiary cells are not there. There are bulliform cells. Subsidiary cells are those cells which are surrounding the stomata. So here the information given is for the bulliform cells. Third one, in a dicot leaves, vascular bundles are surrounded by large thick-walled cells. Here it is given conjunctive tissue. It's not a conjunctive tissue. It's a connective tissue actually. Conjunctive tissue means it is present inside, in between the xylem phloem, and the actual tissue is bundle sheet cell. And the correct answer is cells of medullary rays that form the part of cambial ring. These are the interfascicular cambium. So answer goes to fourth one. 137 fourth. 138. Plasmid PBR322 has PSTL restriction site within a gene AMPR that confers ampicillin resistance, and if the enzyme is used for inserting a gene for beta galactoside production and the recombinant plasmid is inserted in E. coli. So you know very well, in the plasmid, in the PBR322 plasmid, here this is the gene for ampicillin resistance, for example, ampicillin resistant gene. And if in that gene any another gene, for example for the beta galactoside is attached there, then it causes insertional inactivation. Insertional inactivation is there, and due to this insertional inactivation, the ampicillin resistant gene will no longer be able to make these cells resistant to ampicillin. That is why the cells will not grow on the ampicillin medium. So the cells in which the plasmid is inserted will not be able to be ampicillin resistant. So answer goes to second. It will not be able to confer ampicillin resistance to the host cell. 138. Second. Now 139. DNA fingerprinting involves identifying differences in some species regions in DNA sequence. These sequences are called repetitive DNA. As per the definition, these are the repetitive DNA, and these are you say repetitive DNA. These are the VNTR. 139 ka 3. 140. In the exponential growth, the equation is given here. Nt is equal to N0 e raised to RT. Here e means e is the base to the natural logarithm. So answer goes to fourth one. 140 ka fourth. Then 141, which of the following statements is incorrect? कौन सा statement incorrect है? तो given में पहला statement incorrect है. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves both PS1 and PS2. This is wrong statement because cyclic photophosphorylation involves only PS1. 141 का 1. 142, which of the following statements is correct? दिए हुए स्टेटमेंट में पहला स्टेटमेंट दिया है, some of the organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called sheet cell. The specialized cells in which the nitrogen fixation is carried out are called as the heterocyst. Second, fusion of two cells is called karyogamy. No, fusion of two nuclei is called karyogamy. Next, third is the correct statement. Fusion of protoplasms between two motile or non-motile gametes is called plasmogamy. It is the on should not be there or. It's the correct statement. And fourth one, organisms that depend on living plants are called saprophytes, parasites. Third one, 142, third statement is correct. 143, once again match the pair. Nitrococcus matching is there with the conversion of ammonia to nitrite. Then rhizobium is given conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Thiobacillus denitrification, and nitrobacter conversion of nitrite to nitrate. So answer goes to second. It is from mineral nutrition chapter. Then which of 144, which of the following statements is incorrect? दिए हुए स्टेटमेंट में एक जो स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है वो है ऐसा. पहला स्टेटमेंट दिया है, ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन रिएक्शंस प्रोड्यूस प्रोटॉन ग्रेडियंट इन रेस्पिरेशन. इट्स अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सेकंड, ड्यूरिंग एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन रोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज लिमिटेड टू द टर्मिनल स्टेट because oxygen is necessary only for the terminal oxidation. It is also correct. Fourth statement, ATP is synthesized through complex 5. It's also correct. But the third statement given is incorrect. In ETC means electron transport chain, one molecule of NADH plus H plus gives 2 ATP. No, one molecule of NADH2, we say NADH2 or NADH plus H plus, you can write. It gives 3 ATP and FADH2 gives 2 ATP. So third is the answer. 145. In some members of which of the following pairs of families pollen grains retain their viability for months after release? The pollen viability for the months is found in the Rosaceae and Leguminosae. So 145 का 1. 146. Identify the correct statement. Out of this, the given correct statement is the first statement is split gene arrangement is characteristic of prokaryotes. No, it's a characteristic of eukaryotes. Second, in capping, methyl guanosine triphosphate is added to 3 prime, no 5 prime end. Then third one is the correct statement. RNA polymerase binds to Rho factor to terminate the process of transcription in bacteria. And finally, the coding strand in a transcription unit is copied to mRNA. No, the non-coding strand is copied. Answer is third one. 147. Match the column once again. The floral formulae and the families are given here. So the answer goes to second. Huh. 48. Once again match the pair. Protein. There are the presence of peptide bonds in the proteins. Then unsaturated fatty acids, carbon-carbon double bonds present, nucleic acid, phosphodiester bond and polysaccharide, glycosidic bonds are there. So answer goes to second. 149. Once again match the pair. Number of match the pairs are given in this paper. Match the pair. Yes phase matches with DNA replication. Then G2 phase matches with proteins are synthesized. Then quiescent stage means inactive phase. And G1 phase means interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. Correct answer, fourth one. And the last is given 150. Nowadays it is possible to detect the mutated genes causing cancer by allowing radioactive probe hydrolyze its complementary DNA in a clone of cells, followed by its detection using autoradiography. Why? Answer is mutated genes does not appear on a photographic film as the probe has no complementary with it. If a particular mutated gene in a particular, say these are the genes present in human, and out of this, for example, this gene is mutated, and when we are undergoing the DNA fingerprinting process, then when we compare this, when we join this, when we complementary join this with the probe DNA, then probe has no any complementary for this mutated gene, so we can detect it. Answer goes to fourth one. In this manner, the paper is completed here. Paper code was P3. So we will have a talk next time. Take care.